Hello everyone, welcome back to KBK P6 Planner and Scheduler YouTube channel. In our previous videos, we set up our EPS, OBS and WBS. Today, we finally reached the most exciting part, which is creating activity to our project's WBS. This is where your project plan comes to life. If you find this helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Now let's dive into P6. So this is our EPS structure that we created last time. So as you see here, we have our project and also under our project, we have another WBS level, which is the pre-design, design, procurement phase, construction phase, and as well testing and commissioning phase, closeout phase. So under construction phase, we have another level, which is the site preparation and mobilization, the substructure workers, and the superstructure workers. So today we're gonna select the substructure workers package, and then we add for this WBS element, which is the earthworks and excavation for the foundation workers, and as well as for the masonry and backfill. We will add activity. So let's dive into how to add activity. The first thing what you have to do is just select the WBS element here. So under the substructure workers, select the earthworks and excavation work package. This one. Once you select this one, then go to the one here. Click the plus sign here. So once you click the plus sign, you see the activity name wizard is coming here. So we have two things here. The first one is the activity ID and the second one is the activity name. So the activity name by default, we have A1000. So leave it as it is. So to add the activity name, so we have here, we have already prepared on a Word format to insert to our P6. This is the fastest way, so you don't need typing. So the first one, we pick the survey layout and copy this one, go to P6 and then add this one. Paste it. So survey layout for excavation is added right now. So click the next button here. So the work breakdown structure, it's already selected the earthworks and excavation because we already selected here. So click the next button here. So you see the activity type. We have different activity type, finish, milestone, level effort, resource independent, task dependent, all these types of activity. So in our next upcoming video, I will explain all these things. So for now, we're gonna select the task dependent activity, then click the next button here, then assign resources. So we don't need to assign resources right now. On the upcoming video, I'll show you how to add resources for each activity. So leave it like this and click the next button. Here, duration type, we have several type of duration type here as it is. Fixed duration and units, fixed duration and unit per time, fixed units per time. I'll explain all these things also in our upcoming videos. So for now, I'll select the one fixed duration and units, click the next button. So we have activity units and duration. So the high duration is already selected 5 here, which is on original duration. By default, P6 will put 5. So when you have your own duration, you can add here, or once you click next, once you finish this activity, once you add all the activity, you can add your original duration. So you can do whatever you prefer for you. So click the next button here. So dependent activity, this is all about relationship between activities. So right now, the next video, I will explain how to add activity relationships. So you don't need to say yes here, just click the no, continue, and then click the next one. Then here, more details. Would you like to configure more detailed activity? So I don't need to put right now more detailed activity. So click the no thanks button here, and then click the next button, then you see congratulations, so you have successfully added a new activity. So this is the final stage, so finish. So now the survey layout for excavation is created. Now let's add another activity by different way. In this time I will create my second activity by clicking the insert button at your keyboard. So click insert, so the new activity is coming here. I will add the site clearing and topsoil excavation. Copy and go to your P6, paste it. Now site clearing and topsoil excavation is created, so click here. Then here I will show you the other way how to add activities by clicking here. Click the right button here, so you have here the add button. Click that one, so new activity is created on your P6. So go to your Word file and select the bulk excavation, copy this one and then paste it here. So the bulk excavation is created right now with this. Then click here. Now I'll show you how to add this one. For the fourth activity, click this one. Now you see the dialog box again, right? So when you see this activity, just click the do not show this wizard, because when you have like 100 of activity, you don't need to go this process. So just click this one. So it says you to enable the activity in the future, select user preference under the edit menu. So click OK. So next time when you click the add button here, it doesn't show you this wizard. However, when you do the keyboard insert button and the other method, which is by clicking the right button and add activities, these two method, it doesn't show you the activity wizard right away. So this is the main difference between when you add activity, you don't see the wizard. So this is one of the main difference between these three types of how you insert your activity to your P6. So for now, I'll go to the fourth activity, which is the pit excavation. Copy this one, go to your P6 and paste it here, and then click the next button. So this is click the next one, click the next as well. So next, 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 and then click the finish button here. So the pit excavation is created. You see on the Gantt chart, the green bar, it's already created for pit excavation here as well. So now when you click the right button, the add button, the wizard is no more shown up on your P6 screen. So this is how you disable not showing the wizards. So now we have the fifth activity, trench excavation. So add the trench excavation activity here and click here. So trench excavation is created, and go to your Word file and the cartaway, the last activity for earthworks and excavation. Then go to your P6, add button here, and then paste it here. So the cartaway activity is created. So now we created all activity under earthworks and excavation. So fill the remaining activity based on your preferred and convenient method. So now all the activities are created for three work packages. So this is how you add activity. In the next video, we will link this all activity using relationship. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.